Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about the 10 health benefits of eating tomatoes. Tomatoes are a nutrient-dense fruit that provides many health benefits. Here are 10 health benefits of eating tomatoes. 1. Rich in nutrients. Tomatoes are low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. 2. Promotes heart health. The lycopene in tomatoes has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease by reducing LDL cholesterol levels. 3. May reduce cancer risk. The high antioxidant content of tomatoes may help protect against certain types of cancer, including lung and prostate cancer. 4. Good for digestion. Tomatoes are rich in fiber, which can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Don't forget to visit our website horlerhealthandwellness.org. For more health tips. 5. May lower blood pressure. Potassium in tomatoes can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. 6. May improve vision. Tomatoes contain vitamin A and lutein, which are important for maintaining healthy vision. 7. Supports skin health. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C, which helps to maintain healthy skin and prevent aging. 8. May help prevent diabetes. The fiber and low glycemic index of tomatoes can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes. 9. May improve bone health. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin K, which is important for maintaining healthy bones. 10. May boost immunity. The vitamin C and beta-carotene in tomatoes may help boost the immune system and protect against infection. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.